We're going to answer challenging problem solving involving angles. So we must be able to determine the properties of angles and apply the properties of angles to solve the problem. What are the properties of angles? So we have here first the angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. If there are 2 or 3 more angles on the straight line, the sum will be 180 degrees. Next, vertically opposite angles are equal. So angle A and angle B are vertically opposite angles. Therefore, A is the same as B. Same with angle C and angle D. They are vertically opposite angles. Angle C and D have the same measure. The third one, angles at a point add up to 360 degrees. So this angle A and angle B, the sum will be 360. It can be 2 or more angles at a point. How to solve the problems with angles? On this problem, AOB and WOX are straight lines. Angle COB and angle YOX are right angles. Find angle AOX and angle COY.
Find first angle AOX. AOX. So we're going to find this angle. How are we going to find that? Very good. You spot the correct one. AOB is a straight line, as stated here on the problem also. And the angles on the straight line, it is equal to 180 degrees. So here, these two angles on the straight line, the sum is 180 degrees. So it means 56 degrees plus this angle AOX is equal to 180 degrees. How are we going to take angle AOX? Very good. We're going to subtract 180 minus 56 degrees. So if we're going to subtract this, it will be 124 degrees. So let's write 124 degrees. How about angle COY? So you can see here there are the symbol for 90 degrees. So as you can see, this is 90 degrees, and here also this angle is 90 degrees. If we're going to find angle COY, we're going to add this angle and this angle will be 90 degrees. But how are we going to add? We don't know this angle and this angle. But here, we can use this angle so that we can find this angle. Yes, this angle YOB plus 56 is equal to 90 degrees. So angle YOB plus 56 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. How are we going to find angle YOB? Very good. Subtract 90 and 56. If we subtract, it will be 34 degrees. So this is 34 degrees. Can we find now angle COY? Very good. Angle COY plus 34 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, angle COY equals 90 degrees minus 34 degrees. So if we're going to subtract 90 minus 34, it will be 56 degrees. So angle COY is 56 degrees.
Next example, AOB, COD, and EOF are straight lines. Find the sum of angle AOC, angle FOD, and angle BOE.
Okay, we're going to find the sum of these shaded angles. So how are we going to find the sum of AOC plus FOD plus BOE? No, we're not going to use the protractor to answer this. Very good. We spot the vertically opposite angle. So angle BOE is vertically opposite to this angle, right? So it means angle BOE is the same as angle AOF. So if this is same with this, and these angles, these three angles are on the straight line, it means if we're going to add them, it will become 180 degrees. Very good. So angle AOC plus angle AOF plus FOD is equal to 180 degrees. And angle AOF, this angle, we can write it down also as angle BOE because they are vertically opposite angle. Just copy the other angles. So therefore, they are equal to 180 degrees. So the sum of angle AOC, FOD, and BOE is equal to, very good, 180 degrees.
To sum up our lesson, the properties of angles. Angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. Angles at a point add up to 360 degrees. And vertically opposite angles are equal.